It's crazy. 75% of kids today want to be YouTubers when they grow up. They don't want a 9 to 5. They want to turn their passion into lucrative income. But many parents are pretty skeptical of letting their children dedicate time to creating content. They see it more as a hobby, not a career. And while it's true that the world of content creation is so saturated today that it could be hard to stand out. In fact, some people do more than just gain popularity on YouTube. They take their ideas even further, generating millions of dollars a year of revenue. One of the best examples, Amanda Rach Lee. When she started her YouTube channel as a hobby, at the young age of 14, she had no idea that it would pave the way for a multi-million-dollar business that would change her life forever. My name is Greg Isenberg, and in today's video, I'm going to break down the framework that successful entrepreneurs like Amanda, Thomas Frank, Ryan Holiday, and many others have used their passion and turned it into a profitable business. The ACP funnel, which stands for Audience Community Product. And the best part, you could do it too. Let's get started. Stage 1, audience. As I mentioned in the intro, Amanda started her YouTube in 2013 at age 14, initially making simple videos about DIY crafts, makeup, and fashion. While she only got a few thousand views a video, she didn't give up, kept uploading new videos on a regular basis because it was fun. And she wanted to find a community to share her passions with, outside her town, outside her city, outside her country. 5 years into the journey, she discovered bullet journaling, an organizational system to schedule and plan her daily tasks. She posted her first bullet video journal in 2017, and it went completely viral. Pretty much right after she posted it, she hit 100,000 subscribers, so she knew she was onto something. At the time, not many people were talking about this sort of thing, so she made the transition to a bullet journaling channel. The niche resonated super well with her audience, and her channel began to grow super fast. The more videos she was creating, she found both her niche and her audience: art, stationery, and journaling. Stage 2, community. When Amanda started diving into bullet journaling, things really took off. Her videos were resonating deeply with her audience. Instead of chasing new trends, she niched down. And with each new video, her community grew stronger and stronger. Her videos weren't just about vlogging and random lifestyle videos. It was taking shape around her passions. So she started building communities around her passions: productivity, organization. It transitioned from an audience to more of a group of friends bonding on things they like. This was only possible because community building remained a central aspect throughout Amanda's journey. She was always in the comment sections of her Instagram and YouTube. The comment sections felt more like a group chat with Amanda instead of a broadcast. And this didn't just help her grow her channel, it provided a ready market for her products. People constantly asked about the products she was using in her videos. And they were asking, how can I buy these products? So, audience buy-in, check. Community buy-in, check. Stage 3, product. Fast forward to 2019, and Amanda took a bold step. Leveraging her community of over 2 million subscribers on YouTube, she launched Shop Amanda Rach Lee, turning her love for drawing and bullet journaling into a tangible business. Offering a range of planners, notebooks, and accessories, she created products that were a perfect fit for her specific audience. And this is a perfect example of why creators niche down. Defining who your audience is helps define what your business should be. One thing that helped Amanda succeed in her transition from creator to entrepreneur was her ability to creatively address challenges and maintain a positive relationship with her audience despite the setbacks. This became obvious when in the 2021 Doodle Planner, one of her products had multiple printing errors during launch. Instead of discarding the faulty planners, she decided to rename them the Oops Planners and sell them at a discounted price. Amanda's content creation career has succeeded in many other areas beyond her own business. She also had the opportunity to collaborate with major brands like Sephora, Adobe, and Google, further expanding her horizons beyond YouTube and her stationery business. She even worked with Warner Brothers to create some drawings for the film Detective Pikachu back in 2019. Pretty damn cool. And even to this day, Amanda's still creating YouTube videos and sharing her experiences and lessons learned along her entrepreneurial journey through different platforms. She advises aspiring creators on the importance of authenticity, recognizing burnout, and not allowing mistakes to hinder progress. The story of Amanda is one I love because it shows a blend of passion, community engagement, and a learning mindset that helped her transition from a young girl to a content creator to a business owner in a niche she loves. So the next time your kid tells you they want to be a YouTuber, don't reject the idea so fast. Who knows? They might grow up to be the next Amanda Rach Lee. If you like this breakdown, you're gonna love my other videos on the ACP funnel, where I tear down some of the biggest internet empires like Ryan Holiday, Jack Butcher, Thomas Frank, and more. And if you wanna see a specific breakdown on this channel, let me know in the comments below. I read every comment. And make sure to click on the subscribe button for more videos. It also tells me you like my videos and I should keep creating them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.